Hello and welcome to the section 6 of the course Unvalidated Redirects and Forwards. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about what is unvalidated redirect and forward and then how we can perform this attack. So let's start with the video Unvalidated Redirects and Forwards overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about redirects and forwards and the overall process. So let's start with the definition here. So first of all, if we talk about the redirects and forward, in the first point you can see that attacker can redirect victims from one page to another page in application. Yeah, it is a possibility that attacker can insert malicious scripts, and with the help of those, attacker can redirect a user from a.html to b.html, for example. So in second point you can see attacker can also forward victims from one application to another application. Yes. So we were talking about within an application. Now we are talking about from one application to another application. For example, if you are working on xyz.com and attacker can redirect you to abc.com, this is also a possibility available. So this is called unvalidated redirects and forwards because user is not aware about it. Now if we talk about the scenario, so it's very simple. For example, a victim is available here and a victim wants to access website A1. Now what happens? Basically, it automatically redirects to the application B1. Why it happened? Because the attacker is available there and attacker has inserted malicious scripts in that particular A1 web application, and when victim visits that particular application, that application redirects it to the another application. And the second application B1 can be harmful for the victim because attacker has created that website, and with the help of that website attacker can grab sensitive information from victim. So this is basically the scenario here. Now if we talk about the example, so this is a basic script which attacker can use to redirect a user from application to another application. So this is script open window.location, the another application web name script. Attacker can insert the script in the application. How and where? So you can see here that this is an application, and you can see here this is a blog area where attacker can insert that malicious script, and with the help of this malicious script attacker can redirect a particular user from this application to another application. So you can see here that attacker can redirect from that application to this application. So this is a basic example of redirection. Now how we can perform this attack, so that we will cover in the next videos.